Hey guys, welcome back to video. If you are learning to code but have never read these books, you are making your journey much harder. Here are 5 books every programmer should know. Whether you are a beginner, college student or a software engineer, these books can improve your logic building and the problem solving and code to very faster. So here are the top 5 coding books every student must know before graduating. So the fifth book is Design Patterns, which is mainly for object oriented software, like why it matters. So best for intermediate on advanced jobs. It was introduced in 1994. So why it matters, which introduced for you like a 23 classic software design patterns, gives a developers a shared vocabulary. So you can choose whether in a Java or a C++, Python and more. So this is about the fifth book. And the fourth book is Cracking the Coding Interview. Guys, if you want to prepare an interview like anything, this book is preferred. Why? Because I've gone through this book. I've checked this book is available in Flipkart or Amazon anywhere. So why it matters? There is a 189 plus practice problems which is mainly asked in every like a companies. So the Fang style interviews. Fang means of like a what you will say like a Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Nvidia, Google style interviews. All types of activities which was asked previously that are covered in this book mainly. If you take the book, I would suggest to take this book only. Why? Because I'm thinking to take this book. So you can prepare for a company's interviews, internships, everything else from scratch it will be used. If you want to change your company in that time the book is going to be used. So I think by purchasing this book it will be worth your money as well, which is best for job interview preparation. It was introduced in 2008. And the book 3 is Introduction to Algorithms. Guys, if you want to learn a DSA, I think you have to pick this book, which is best for CS students. 1919 is the 4th edition, now 2022 is available. So essential for interviews, and this is also if you are like aiming to crack a competitive programming, this book is essential. Used to teach like CS courses, the whatever you will say like CS courses, CS fundamentals will be covered in this book. And the second book is the Programmatic Programmer. So it is developed by David Jomos and Andrew Hunt. So why it matters? Like if you want like a short punchy tips, like a programming tips, like a trick is not just a code, like a professional automation tooling, and what are the errors you should not make, like a debugging. For that particular things have covered in this book. So which is best for all level skills. It is actually introduced in 1999. And but the last, not the first, that is the Clean Code. The book title is Clean Code. So why it matters again? Again, it includes the naming functions, like a code which can readable, maintainable code, how you have to write code, how you have to read the how the output should become. So like this very essential functions like regarding functions, coding, everything is covered in this. How to write the code, how your code should be structured way, when others will read they have to get understood. So about the code, this book contains everything about the structure of the code. So which is best for beginners, intermediate. As a beginners, if you want to start the coding, you don't know coding, how to write, how to structure, how to maintain, so everything will be covered in this book. So if you are a beginner, I would suggest you to take this book only. So this is all about top 5 books every student must know. Let us meet in the next video.